Hello students, I am Shiv Prasad. Welcome in maths class. Students, today we are going to study maths chapter 13 exponents and powers. Exercise 13.1. Student, first question is given, find the value of part 1 2 to the power 6. Okay. Now solution of question number first part 1 2 to the power 6. We can write it as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 6 times. Okay, now multiplied it, 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32 to the 64. It is the answer 64. Okay, second question has given second part, find the value of 9 to the power 3. Now solution of part 2, 9 to the power 3 is equal to 9 into 9 into 9. We can write it as 9 into 9 into 9 because exponent has given 3. Okay, so we have to write 9 3 times. 9 9 ja 81, 81 9 ja 729. Okay, it is the answer. Similarly, you can solve part 3 and 4 as homework. Okay, now next question. Question number second has given, express the following in exponential form. Part 1 is given 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. Okay. Solution of part 1 of question number second. Question has given 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. We can see here 6 has given 4 times. So we can write it as 6 to the power 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can write it as 6 to the power 4. Okay. Now second part of question number second, t into t. Solution of part 2 of question number second, t into t. We can write it as t to the power 2 or t square. Okay, because t has given 2 times. Okay, so we can write it as t to the power 2. Okay, third question has given b into b into b into b 4 times. Okay, so we can write it as b to the power 4. Similarly, question number part 4 has given 5 into 5 into 7 into 7 into 7. We can see here 5 is given 2 times, so we can write it as 5 to the power 2 into 7 has given 3 times, so we can write it as 7 to the power 3. So the answer is 5 to the power 2 into 7 to the power 3. Similarly, you can solve part 5 and 6 as homework. Okay. Question number third has given, express each of the following numbers using exponential notation. Part 1 is given 512. Solution of question number third part 1. First of all, find the prime factorization of 512. Okay, 2 2 ja 4, 1 1 11, 2 5 ja 10, 1 2 12, 2 6 ja 12, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 1 6 16, 2 8 ja 16, 2 6 ja 12, 2 4 ja 8, 2 32 ja 64, 2 16 ja 32, 2 8 ja 16, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4 and 2 1 ja 2. Okay, so we can write 512 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 9 times. Okay, is equal to, here is given 2 to 2 9 times, so the answer is 2 to the power 9. Okay, part second of question number third, express each of the following numbers using exponential notation. 343. Solution of part second of question number third. First of all, find the prime factorization of 343. 7 4 ja 28, 6 3 63, 7 9 ja 63, 7 7 ja 49, 7 1 ja 7. So we can write 343 is equal to 7 into 7 into 7 3 times. Okay, so the exponential form of 343 is equal to 7 to the power 3. Okay, similarly, you can solve part 3 and 4 of question number third as homework. Now Question number 4th has given identify the greater number wherever possible in each of the following. Part 1 has given 4 to the power 3 or 3 to the power 4. Compare which number is greater. Okay. Solution of question number 4, part 1. Here is given 4 to the power 3 or 3 to the power 4. First of all, find the value of 4 to the power 3 is equal to 4 into 4 into 4, because exponent is 3. So we can write it as 4 into 4 into 4. 3 times 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64. Okay. Similarly, find the value of 3 to the power 4 is equal to, write 3 3 3 4 times 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. Now find the product of 3 3 3 3, 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27, 27 3 ja 81. Students, you can see here 81 is greater than 64. So 3 to the power 4 is greater. Okay. Next part 2nd is given 5 to the power 3 or 3 to the power 5. Solution of part 2 of question number 4, 5 to the power 3 or 3 to the power 5. First of all, find the value of 5 to the power 3 is equal to 5 into 5 into 5 is equal to 5 5 ja 25, 25 5 ja 125. Now find the value of 3 to the power 5 is equal to, write 3 3 5 times 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now find the product of 3 3 3 3. Okay, 5 times has given 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27, 27 3 ja 81, 81 3 ja 243. We can see here 243 is greater than 125. So 3 to the power 5 is greater. Similarly, you can solve part 3, 4 and 5 of question number 4 as homework. Okay, thanks.